Hello students, very good morning. This is your math period. So let's continue lesson number 12, time. Okay, as you know, yesterday we have completed class assignment 12A, 12B and also home assignment 12A. Question number 1 and question number 2. Clear? So today we are going to solve home assignment 12B, page number 165 and also home assignment 12C, page number 166. Okay. So first of all, look at the page number 165, home assignment 12B. Okay. Look at this page. Page number 165, home assignment 12B. So before solving this assignment, let's read and learn the topic of telling time in half past an hour. Okay. Page number 164. So all of you open the page number 164. See this page 164. Half past an hour. There are 30 minutes in half an hour. Okay. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay. Half an hour have 30 minutes and 1 hour have 60 minutes. Clear? See this. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 hour means half an hour equal to 30 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. 60 minutes show the 1 hour. 30 minutes show the half an hour. Clear? When it is the past the hour, we say past. When it is before the hour, we say to. When the minute's hand has travelled halfway around the clock, we say the time is half past the hour. It means that 30 minutes of the hour are over. Okay, see this. Showing the timing. Half past 8. Okay. The clock show the time has half past 8 o'clock as the minute hand has gone halfway across the clock to 6. This can also be written as 8:30. Okay, 8:30. Clear? Okay. So students, now come to the assignment. Let's solve this home assignment 12B. First question, write the correct time. Okay, write it here, correct time. See this clock. Hour hand between 1 and 2 and minute hand at 6. It means showing timing 1:30. Okay. So write it 1:30. Clear? 1:30. Okay. Clear? And also you write half past 1. Okay, half past 1 o'clock. Clear? Half past 1 o'clock. Clear? Hour hand at 5, minute hand at 12 means timing showing 5 o'clock. Okay. This is digital time. Okay. Alright. In other way, 5 o'clock. Clear? See. Hour and between 12 and 1 minute hand at 6. Showing the timing is here. "12:30" means half past 12 o'clock. Clear? Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Draw the hands on the clock as per the time given below. Here, draw the hands. Okay. Hour hand and minute hand. Clear? And show the time. 11:30. Okay. So, hour hand at between 11 and 12. Okay. Between 11 and 12. Okay. And minute hand at 6. Clear? Minute hand at 6. Clear? Okay. Next, 10:30 means hour hand at between 10 and 11. And minute hand at 6. Clear? 6. Okay. See, 3:30. So, hour hand between 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4, sorry, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. And minute hand at 6. Clear? So completed question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. Write the digital times using numerals. Okay. Write the digital time using numerals. Okay. A 5:30. Okay. Write it 5. Ratio 30. Okay. 7:30. Write 7:30. Okay. 10:30. Write 10 and 30. Clear? 2:30. Write 2 and 30. Okay. Now come to the second topic. Next topic, days of the week. Okay, let's read and learn this topic, days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Okay. In 1 week have 7 days. Okay. Next page. Come to the next page. Page number 166. Turn this page. Now come to the page number 166. Okay. The first day of the week is Monday. Okay. First day is Monday. Clear? Of the week. The last day of the week is Sunday. Last day is Sunday of the week. Clear? So starting from Monday, the days of the week in order as follow. Okay. See this table. Name of the day, short form of the name of the day, order of the day. Okay. So Monday, first day of the week. First day of the week is Monday. Okay. So Monday is first day of the week. Clear? So Monday, short form of Monday is MON. Okay. Mon. Okay. Order of the day 1. Okay. Tuesday, short form Tues. Okay. Come to the second number 2. Wednesday. Okay. Third day of the week is Wednesday. Wed. Okay. Short form of Wednesday is Wed. And come to the third number, 3. Thursday is the 4th day of the week. Okay. Write in short form. Thurs. Okay. Number 4. This day come to the number 4th. Okay. Friday. Okay. 5th day of the week is Friday. Okay. Clear? Short form of the Friday is Friday. Okay. Come to the 5th number. Okay. 5th. Saturday. Okay. The 6th day of the week is Saturday. Short form of the week is SAT. Okay. SAT. Okay. And come to the 6th number. 6. Okay. Sunday. Okay. This is 7th day of the week. Okay. 7th day of the week and last day of the week. Okay. Sunday. And short form is sun. Okay. And come to the 7th number. Clear? So read and learn this table. Is very important. Okay. Important. Clear? Now come to yesterday, today and tomorrow. See this topic. Yesterday. The day before today is known as yesterday. The day before today is known as yesterday. Clear? On Sunday, we say yesterday was Saturday. Okay. Today, any present day is known as today. On Sunday, we say today is Sunday. Tomorrow, the day after today is called tomorrow. On Sunday, we say tomorrow will be Monday. Solve home assignment 12C. Complete the table. Yesterday column, today column and tomorrow column. Okay. So see this first day, Monday. So suppose today is Monday. Okay. And yesterday was Sunday. Okay. Sunday. Clear? Tomorrow, after Monday, Tuesday. Clear? Before Monday, Sunday. Clear? Tuesday. Before Tuesday, Monday. Clear? After Tuesday, Wednesday. Clear? Wednesday. Before Wednesday, Tuesday. Clear? After Wednesday, coming Thursday. Clear? Thursday. Thursday before Wednesday. Clear? After Thursday, Friday. Okay? Before Friday, Thursday. Clear? After Friday, Saturday. Saturday before Friday. Okay? After Saturday, Sunday. Okay? Sunday before Saturday. Clear? After Sunday, Monday. Okay? Clear? So home assignment 12C for classwork. Okay, date is 1 December 2020. Okay, solve in your classwork. Okay, come to the home assignment 12B, solve in classwork. Okay, so both assignment solve in your book. Clear? For homework today, read and learn the topic of telling time in half past an hour and days of the week. Clear?